what I want you to know, ladies and gentlemen, it's personal life and professional life, you can't separate them. They will collide. Entrepreneurs, you are your business.
That's right.
So just remember that. All right, got a couple instructions. When I say how y'all feel, y'all gotta get up and say fired up. And when I say what's up, y'all gonna say my income. Team, how y'all feel?
Fired up! I think we gotta try it again.
Team, how y'all feel?
Fired up!
Team, what's up?
My income, baby!
Woo, let's go.
Woo!
First, real quick, I just wanna say thank you to a couple of people who made this possible. I want to call the U.S. ambassadors, Myron Tasso. Myron Tasso, thank you. Aurelio Evans, thank you. Jacques Vaughn, Dr. Meredith Vaughn, thank you. And one of my first recruits online, Facebook, Marcella Braggs, all the way from Dallas, thank you so much. Darren and Stephanie Golka for help mentoring us every week, thank you. And also, can we give it up to Jamie and Leanne Prickett, please? Yes! Woo! All right, Mary, you ready for this?
I think we're ready. Are y'all ready? It's a question.
All right, y'all, we're going to be a little bit maybe emotional because we're going to share y'all our journey from the last probably 6 months this year. We're going to talk about this year. And our title is called About That Life. You really got to be about that life if you want to be an entrepreneur. That's the real deal. Some of y'all are faking it, but some of y'all are going to make it. All right, so about that life, let's go. It's 3 things we want to share with y'all. You heard a lot of leadership training, a lot of things, but this one is about you. This talk is about you, so I need y'all to focus in on this. Mary, talk about our life.
All right, so the first point is that you have to embrace challenges and change. As entrepreneurs, our lives, our personal life and our business lives collide, right? And we got to be able to flow and move forward through those challenges and change.
Absolutely. So this is what happened to us this year. Some of y'all probably don't know. Most of our team don't know. Only a handful of people know about this. So we're going to kind of share with you. You have your own challenges, but you can make a decision. You can either make money or you can make excuses. From January through February this year, our daughter, who's right in front, clap it up for her. Woo! Yes. She experienced domestic violence and went through a divorce. So we had to relocate from Maryland to Michigan, which is another 600 miles away. So we spent 3 months pretty much away from our primary residence to support our daughter. Then, midway through that, Mary had to return back to Maryland. So now, after 29 years of being married, never been separated for more than a week for any reason, we're now a month apart.
But through it all, we still had to make sure our team was on the Limitless, and we had to prepare for Limitless Conference, and then our annual March Madness, which is our annual competition that we do amongst our team. So we had business, couldn't stop.
Couldn't stop. You know, then after that, we moved back to Maryland, and now, 2 days out of the week, me and my daughter and my granddaughter have to travel back to Detroit. So we have to plan every week. I had to become a travel agent, a grandfather, a father, and emotional support. And
we had to host our annual team conference, which is our Level Up conference. And then we had the hard work of enjoying Cancun on Experior's dime.
Woo, that was hard.
And we had to launch our 90-day challenge.
Yes. And then in July, something that kind of hits home to what we're here for. You know, my father spent 18 days in a hospital, and then he passed away. And it wasn't like he was sick. We was expecting. It was unexpected, right? So that was personal, but
through it all, we were able to promote our executive director, Miss Judy Sheffield.
Woo!
Let's give her a round of applause.
Boss lady.
Woo! And be right here attending X Marks the Spot. And Eric, you forgot to say, your mom is now in the hospital.
I got news first day here, my mom's in the hospital. She's out now. And we had to homeschool our 14-year-old daughter who's in the back. Miss Remy Marie.
Can we give it up for Remy Marie?
Yeah. So what I want you to notice, ladies and gentlemen, it's personal life and professional life, you can't separate them. They will collide. Entrepreneurs, you are your business.
That's right.
So just remember that.
So being about that life, the first one is to embrace. Can I hear everybody say it with me? Embrace challenges and changes. All right. They got that one. Now this one, the second one, is you got to understand and believe and know that life insurance matters.
Yeah.
That's just got to be your being, in your being. Do you realize that 7 out of 10 families, listen to this, 7 out of 10 families that have children under the age of 18, if they were to lose one source of income, they're just a month away from devastation.
That's big.
54% of people who are insured are underinsured. They need us.
You know, let's talk about our personal lives again. You know, in 2020, right before we got involved with Experior Insurance Agency, Mary's mother, passed away. She lived with us for 16 years. But one of the things, she died, she didn't have insurance. And I remember talking to her about life insurance. She's like, I don't have nothing to worry about. I don't have nothing to leave. But, you know, to this day, we just got an email. Mary still, she's the executive of the estate. She's still dealing with that, with family, brothers, siblings fighting because she didn't have a will and she didn't have insurance. You know, my father passed away. He was what we would call underinsured. And my older brothers are handling the estate. And we like, man, he had insurance, thank God. But he probably didn't have enough to what I know my father wanted to leave for his family. Here's the deal. He was an insurance agent in his retired career. He retired twice. He became an insurance agent. But by the time he became an insurance agent in his 60s, and my father lived a good life, he was 89, he was uninsurable. See, so we got to reach the people. You got to be about that life. You got to reach them so they can leave the plan that they desired for their families.
Yep. So number one, we have to embrace challenges and change. Say it with me. Number one, we have to embrace challenges and changes. Number two, we have to know and believe that life insurance matters. And number three, we have to celebrate those wins.
Yes!
Yes.
Clap it up. If you are here today, stand up. Yeah. If you're here today, stand up. I want to see all the people who made it today. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of people who wanted to be here. I don't know what you had to go through to get here, but the fact that you are here, you better clap it up and celebrate that. Woo! Clap it up for yourself. You know, man, I got to say, most people don't know what winning looks like.
That's right.
You think winning looks like what an Instagram post is, when somebody's, got the fancy cars, they're on the beach. You know, sometimes winning looks like just waking up.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. We learned the first day that attitude of gratitude is important.
Yeah.
And that ties into this.
Thank you. Ooh,
yes.
That was powerful.
Yes. And it ties into it no matter how small the win is, we got to take time to celebrate it. It helps you build culture. It helps you build duplication because everybody wants to do that. So celebrating the wins is important.
Yeah, and I'm going to give y'all a leadership bonus. You heard from a lot of great leaders. I'm going to give y'all a bonus as a leader. This is something Mary does very good. She is amazing at finding creative ways to make sure we celebrate the team. You know, sometimes I'm like, they made a phone call. You want to have a phone call party, right? You got an AOA. I remember our first AOA, we was happy, but then after you do it for a while, you're like, just an AOA. No, you got to freaking make that AOA a big deal. Are y'all with me?
Yes.
When you get a new prospect, that's a big deal. You got a phone number. They didn't have to give you their phone number. They didn't have to give you their name. I remember I got your phone number and name. Well, you got mine. I don't know how it works. I think that was a big deal when she got my number, right? She was celebrating. Anyway, I just want to say thank y'all for giving us this opportunity at Experior. Thank you to the ELC for welcoming us. Thank you to Experior family for welcoming us. Thank you to Meri for welcoming me. Thank you to Jamie and Leanne Prickett for being the amazing leaders that you are. So just the way we came in, we're going to go out.
Yep, but first, I want to make sure everybody got those 3 points. The first point is what? I can't hear you. Yeah, right, that's right. Embrace challenges and changes. Number 2, that's right, life insurance matters. And number 3, that's right, have a great day, guys.